and 10. Yes. Okay, quickly
So
solve
all
the
the
questions,
sir.
guys, one by one.
Sir, 8, 9, and 10, sir.
8, 8, 9, and
Okay,
10.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And Shania, meanwhile, if you wish, you can just click the photo for your that the question paper and please send it to me. I'll
Yeah, yeah.
check with that question paper today. How many
Okay.
questions are there in that exam?
I think around um 1 second. It's in my bag. There were not more than 13 questions. Yeah, but 12 questions.
Okay.
There were like MCQs. There were 5 sections. MCQ section A. Section B was 2 markers. Section 3 were 3 markers. Section C. Section D was a 5 marker, and section E was a case study.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll send you the picture.
Yeah, yeah. Please send me the picture for that.
Do you want it in PDF form?
No, no, just picture. Click the photo and send it to me. Also, guys, please tell me this Saturday, Sunday, how many of you gave them any mock test? Please raise your hand. Okay. Abhiyan gave the mock test on the Saturday, Sunday. Sharaya gave the mock test. Okay. And Nishad also. Sugam also. Okay. Fine. Okay. Please put
Sir,
down
I
your
have a
hands.
doubt.
Yeah, just a minute, Abhiyan. Lavi, you didn't attempt any mock test on the Saturday, Sunday?
No, sir.
Mm, all right. Okay. Yes, Abhiyan, please tell me.
Sir, when will we get the mock test results?
Hi, today itself I will give you the mock test result.
Yes, sir.
Like I have a batch as of now, so continuously I'm having a batch. So once it is there, so then I'll
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
once I will be free, I will check and give it to you. Okay.
Yes.
So I got the answer, sir, of 8, 9, and 10.
Uh, okay. Shania, are you clicking the picture of it?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Okay. Avyan, Nishad, and everyone. Are you getting these questions, or do you have any difficulty
Sir,
in
I'm getting,
solving the
sir.
questions?
I'm doing.
Okay. So, Gamgya, what is the answer?
Are you connected?
Huh?
Yeah, Sugam, please tell me.
You're connected still?
Yeah, I have. I'm on the meeting. He's asked me this.
Hello, Sugam. And Shania, you are not on the camera also. You turn off the camera by yourself or like what it is? Because initially I saw you in the cam on the camera.
So it's showing my camera is like there.
Sir, dancer, can I tell
Okay.
the answer for the eighth one?
Guys, please do all the question again. First of all, we'll discuss all together.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Shania, is it the device issue or like what it is? Shania, are you getting my voice?
Yes, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's probably a device issue.
Hmm. It's probably a device issue. Okay. Okay. Guys, please look into the screen. Everyone, please look into the screen. So, see, as of now, what it is given. First of all, tell me, Avian, what is the answer for the eighth one?
Sir, for the eighth one, it's plus 4x plus 2y plus 4z.
4x, 2y, 4z.
Yeah.
Okay, throughout it is positive. Okay, Lavi, is this answer is correct or are you getting some different answer?
Sir, I'm getting as 4x plus 2y plus 8z. 8z.
Sir, my answer is same as Ayan. Sorry, Avyan's.
Sir, my answer is for 8 one is 4x plus 2y plus 6z.
Okay, fine. Now which one is correct, guys? Let me first of all check. Okay, that what exactly the issue is and how we are getting the things. So I can see first of all, z and z get cancelled out over here. But z and z get cancelled out. So 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. If 6 minus 2 is equals to 4, then I can say 4z is the one of the term. 4z definitely आएगा. अगर 4z आएगा तो I can say जो लवी का आंसर है that is incorrect and सुगम answer is also incorrect. Isn't it? Because Z and Z get cancelled out. अगर मैं लॉजिक लगाऊंगा तो Z and Z get cancelled out. And यहाँ पर 4 minus 2 है और 4 minus 2 is nothing but what? The 4 minus 2 is nothing but that is equal, sorry, 6 minus 2 is equals to 4 and this is the 4Z. Again, what about the other terms? So the other terms is basically X and that is Y. So it is 5 minus 4 is equals to 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2y is also correct. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4y is also correct. So this answer is absolutely correct answer. जितने भी लोगों ने ये आंसर दिया है that is absolutely correct answer.
Sir,
Other than that जिन्होंने नहीं किया है, ठीक है, calculation mistakes guys हो रही हैं, ठीक है, please try to understand. Wait a minute Sugam, just a second. What I'm saying is कि calculations mistakes हो रही हैं. Now don't say this thing कि सर मैंने लिखा कुछ और था, बोल कुछ और दिया, क्वेश्चन गलत कॉपी कर लिया था, etc etc. अगर हो रहा है ऐसा, so please focus on that. Okay, this is your issue basically. यही issue है और यही आपको rectify करना है. This is what I'm saying. Okay, all of you. All right.
yes, sir.
Okay, moving ahead now, guys. Moving ahead. What are the other things that we have now? We'll check the things one by one. Okay, so now apart from this, okay, 9. Proceed with the 9th one, guys. Okay. Okay. And okay, Shania, you send the paper. Let me check that also. शनाया ये पेपर को क्या हो गया है, ये इतना ज्यादा श्रिंक क्यों हो गया?
So my friend stuffed it in my bag. I told her to put it nicely in the folder. She just put it in the bag. So then मैं कैसे?
ये ऐसा लग रहा है कि पिछले साल का पेपर है.
So मेरा
आपने
कैमरा कैसे कर दिया उसे?
ओके, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मतलब क्या बोलूं मैं, ठीक है. So
I know.
you can also try Shania these questions 9 10. Okay, maybe you can it can improve the proficiency whatever we are talking about. And guys please work on your proficiency and accuracy. ठीक है, थोड़ा जल्दी क्वेश्चंस करना है. अभी लॉजिक सबको पता है क्योंकि we'll discuss about this paper Shania later on, okay, because I can see some word problems are also there.
Yes.
So we'll discuss definitely.
So I got the 9th answer as well as 10th answers also.
Yes, sir. I got 9th answer.
Okay, 9th one answer. Okay, fine. Yeah, please tell me the 9th answer.
So me, sir?
Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, I got 3x plus 4y minus 3z.
Sir,
So it's
Sir,
minus 3z.
Hmm?
I got minus 3z. Minus 3z, yeah.
Okay.
sir, my answer is a 3x plus 4y plus 2z.
Hmm.
Sir,
Okay.
I got the answer.
Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, 3x plus 5y plus 3z.
Okay. Nishad, waiting for you.
No, sir, I'm doing it.
Please, guys, continue and start doing. Hurry up. Okay, Shanaya. 8, ninth one.
I'm done with the eighth one. I'm doing the ninth one.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Nishad, please. Little bit fast, Nishad.
Yeah.
Okay, Shanaya, you too as well.
Okay, I'm almost done.
Plus 2 plus 3.
Mhm. And guys, those who were on the BODMAS का homework कितने लोगों को मिला हुआ है guys? Please raise your hand who are already doing the BODMAS questions. As of now, still BODMAS किसका चल रहा है BB worksheet? Okay, Abhiyan is doing BODMAS. Lavi is doing BODMAS. Nishad, you also have the BODMAS now.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, parallelly now you have to do the multiple worksheets also. So please be active. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके बकेट में अभी कितना होमवर्क है और कितना होमवर्क करना बाकी है ना? Because I am also keeping an eye on all such things, so that's why.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yes,
Sir, my answer of ninth one is wrong.
is wrong. Okay, now you realize, Lavi. Uh,
Yes, sir.
why
My
didn't you answer?
is 3x plus 4y plus 3z.
So I'm getting 3x plus 4y.
हम्म और फिर आगे शनाया जी वाली टर्म.
So now I got cancelled. No?
Okay, ठीक है. So let me now check one by one. Okay, as of now, x is over here. I can see these are the x. So x is over here. Okay. Now 7 minus 3 is how much?
Sir,
7
it's
minus
4.
3 is 4. 4 minus 1 is how much? 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3x is the correct one for the x term. Coming towards the y term. So in the y, basically, see this is what? Minus y, minus 1, minus 1. What is minus 1, minus 1? Minus 2. And minus 2 and plus 2 is how much? 2. So these are get cancelled. Okay. Now what you have? That is equals to 4y. So 4y is also the correct one. Okay. So now x is already done with us. Y is also done with us. Okay. Now what we have left with? We have left with only z. So plus 1 is how much? Plus 1 is plus 2. Plus 2 and minus 2 is how much? 0. So you have no z term. You have no z term. Shall I write it down and then solve, or you got the point?
I got the point, sir. I got.
So we got the point, sir.
If anyone want me to write it down, so I can write it. मैं लिख के भी बता सकता हूँ guys सभी लोगों को.
Sir, I got the point.
ठीक है, तो guys कुछ भी नहीं करना है. अगर आपके पास में ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, हो सकता है कि यहाँ पे y लिखा होगा, यहाँ पे 2y लिखा होगा, यहाँ पे x लिखा होगा, तो कुछ भी नहीं करना है. सबसे पहले x को साथ में लिख लो. सबसे पहले x को साथ में लिख लो, फिर y वालों को साथ में लिख लो, फिर y वालों को साथ में लिख लो. इतना करने के बाद में जब हमें ऑलरेडी मालूम है x अगर कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है यहाँ पर तो क्या है? इट इज़ बाय डिफॉल्ट 1. इट इज़ बाय डिफॉल्ट 1. बस x को रिमूव कर दो. अब ये तो सिंपल है. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. अब जो हटाया था उसको वापस लगा दो. तो बस दिस इज द आंसर फॉर x. फिर ये क्या है? y. अगर कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है मतलब बाय डिफॉल्ट क्या है वहाँ पे? बाय डिफॉल्ट 1 है. हटाओ इसको. सो दिस इज व्हाट? -1 + 2. व्हाट इज -1 + 2? सो -1 + 2 इज बेसिकली +1. ये y. So this is 5x plus 1y. 5x plus 1y is the answer. Okay, getting the point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hope everyone got the point over here, like what to do over
Yeah.
here and all such. Okay, yeah, yes. Okay, fine, guys. So this type of question is basically for like and unlike terms. Okay. Now we have discussed about the negative signature also, how to handle the negative signature if it is outside the bracket. Did we handle this type of questions?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now what we did is, I'll tell you once again. See, if it is positive, let me revise that once again. 3x plus 5y प्लस 2x माइनस वाई, तो ब्रैकेट के बाहर यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है, ब्रैकेट के बाहर यहाँ पे भी पॉजिटिव है। अगर पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव है सो कोई इशू नहीं है, आप ऑलरेडी इसको एज इट इज लिख सकते हो, दैट इज 3x प्लस 5y और 2x माइनस 1y। मेक अ हैबिट कि अगर कुछ नहीं लिखा है तो बाय डिफॉल्ट यहाँ पे 1 लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करो गाइस, है ना, बिकॉज नंबर प्रेजेंट होना जरूरी होता है। अब बस अरेंज द टर्म, व्हाट इज 3 प्लस 2? 5.
X.
So 3 plus 2 is what? 5x. What is 5 minus 1?
Sir,
5
4y.
minus 1.
4 plus
So
1y.
this is the answer. Answer for which one? Answer for this one. Answer for this one. Okay. Are you
Sir,
getting
I
the
got
point,
the
guys?
answer for 10th one.
Okay. Okay, you got the answer.
For 10th one, sir,
Uh,
yes.
ठीक है, okay. So as of now, we were on the next topic, Avyan. Okay, please hold on it and just listen to me what is going on the screen. Okay.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So this is which topic? Which is when positive is outside the bracket. लेकिन कंडीशन चेंज हो जाएगी अगर यहाँ पे नेगेटिव हो जाएगा। नाउ लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली। इफ इट इज अ नेगेटिव आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट, अगर वहाँ पर नेगेटिव आ जाता है तो क्या होगा फिर? कंडीशन देखो, अगर पॉजिटिव है तो कुछ चेंजेस नहीं होंगे, एज इट इज लिखना है, लेकिन अंदर अगर नेगेटिव है तो जितने भी अंदर के टर्म्स हैं वो चेंज हो जाएगा। तो ये पॉजिटिव है तो ये
Sir, semi
पॉजिटिव है
plus.
और ये नेगेटिव है। यस, so this will become plus minus minus and minus minus will become plus 1. So it is what? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is basically 1x, and 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is basically 6. Why? So this is the answer.
Yes.
So हमको बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है। We have to be very cautious when ब्रैकेट के बाहर नेगेटिव सिग्नेचर होता है। ठीक है, अभी छोटे छोटे से क्वेश्चन है तो इजीली आप सॉल्व करोगे, लेकिन जब ये बड़े बड़े हो जाएंगे, जब ब्रैकेट्स बड़े बड़े आएंगे तो और ज़्यादा इशू आएगा, आपको और ज़्यादा कॉशियस होना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, अभी इन टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में प्लीज विद इन द क्लास जस्ट डू इट क्विकली गाइस, यू ऑलरेडी नो ऑल द फंडामेंटल्स।
Sir,
क्विकली
we
डू
have to
5
do this.
7 9 5 7 9, quickly do it guys, 5 7 9.
So we have to do 5, 7, and 9.
हम्म, and please थोड़ा स्पीड फास्ट, ठीक है, स्पीड अप नाउ। हम्म, Guys, please be cautious and
So
do the
done,
question
sir.
a little bit fast, guys. Mm-hmm.
Sir, I'm done with the fifth one. Total answer.
Sir, I got the answer for fifth one, seventh one, and ninth one.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, for the fifth one, the answer is 5z plus 2y minus x. For seventh one, the answer is minus 3x plus 1y plus 4z. And for ninth one, the answer is only 2z.
Sir,
Wait a
sir,
minute.
I got 5z plus 2y plus x.
Sir, my answer of fifth one is 5z plus 2y minus x.
Sir, my answer for the fifth one is plus 5z plus 2y and minus x. So I got plus x.
Mm-hmm.
Sir,
Same, sir.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Wait. Let me do the questions once again. So the question that we are having and that we are trying, we'll go with it. So first of all, see, answer to theek hai. So let us first of all do the sixth one. Sorry, fifth one. It is 6z plus 4y. 6z plus 4y bracket close bracket open minus bracket open 1z plus 2y plus 1x, isn't it everyone? ठीक है, क्वेश्चन ये लिखा हुआ है, the coefficients is nothing but what the coefficients is 1. Later on it is basically 6z plus 4y minus 1z minus 2y minus 1x, isn't it? Because every term gets changed because it is minus outside the bracket. कितने लोगों का आंसर ये वाली स्टेप सेम आई है? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टेप्स गाइस, जस्ट प्लीज रेज योर हैंड if you got the same steps. Okay. Uh, all right. Only Nishad got the same step, Abhyan. You got something wrong. Okay. Abhyan, where did you got it wrong?
Sir, I think I don't. Sir, the answer I got is 5z plus 2y plus x, sir.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन ये माइनस में ये वाली स्टेप जब आपने लिखा तो ये स्टेप पे आप आए या नहीं आए? Did you reach to this step?
Which one, sir? 1z. No, sir.
ऑलरेडी माइनस जो है जब वो अंदर एंटर हो गया था तो ये वाली स्टेप आनी चाहिए ना, ठीक है?
Yeah.
What is
Already become minus. Yeah.
so what is 6 minus 1?
6 minus 1 is 5, sir.
5z. What is 4 minus 2?
So I got 2. Why?
2.
Why?
So 2 what? 2y.
Why? Since there's no x,
So
just write x.
minus x. This is the final answer for this one. Everyone, yes, no? Okay.
Sir, where I went wrong is the symbol, sir, for x. I wrote plus x.
Okay. Nishad, what about you?
Sir, my answer is plus 5z plus 2y. Sorry, sir. Plus 5x. Plus 5. No, sir. Wait. plus 5z plus 2y minus x minus
Okay,
1x.
fine. Shanaya, I think some of the questions are very nominal to you. So what you can do now, you can start practicing within the class itself for your word problems. You remember I gave you the word problems for the worksheet
Sir,
over
I'm
there.
done with these questions. The
Yeah,
questions you
you're
just
done
did.
with this. Yeah, you are done with these questions, but I think your proficiency is this question is also absolutely fine. And what you can do now, within this class itself, you can start practicing those worksheets which I gave to you for the word problems. You remember,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? And I to ठीक है अभी exam is already over for you Shanaya, so you can utilize your time within my class itself, and you can go for that particular questions. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, please go for that, Shanaya, and mark it one by one. Where did you got it wrong? If you have any doubts in that denomination, ages, and all that, so okay, do it. Because up within this class, you can easily solve, I think, 5 to 8 questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And after the class, what you can do, like कल से भी अगर आप चाहो तो आप ये routine follow कर सकते हो, because I don't think so कि in this type of the question you will find any issues. But the issue which you are facing, that is in that worksheets. Okay, so better you utilize your time. Okay, instead of like sitting idle or something like that. And then you can after the class you can send the like PDF of that sir, I have did so and so things. Okay, and please check it, so then I will correct it and I'll revert back to you. Okay, please start doing that worksheets for word problems. All right. Okay. Seventh one. How many of you guys did already did the seventh one?
Sir, I'm on the step. I'm at your step, which we're doing, sir. Almost done.
Okay. Those who have done, just please raise your hand for the seventh one. All right. Lavi Sugam, Nishad, what? Where are you?
Sir, I'm done.
Tell me, Nishad, the seventh one. Nishad, answer.
Sir, I'm done.
वो तो ठीक है, but I'm asking कि seventh का आंसर क्या है?
Sir, the answer for the seventh is plus 1y plus 4z minus 3x plus 4z.
1 by 4z. Next.
1y plus 4z minus 3x plus 4z.
Do you think ये 4z 2 times आएगा? Don't you think ये तो like term है तो ये तो solve हो जाएगा ना? तो फाइनल आंसर में 2 बार 4z क्यों आ रहा है?
Means the answer is plus 1y plus 8z minus 3x.
Yes. ठीक है, अभी मुझे नहीं पता आंसर क्या है, बताओ.
Sir, I got same answer, sir. So I got plus 1y plus 4z minus 3x.
Sir, me too.
So Nishad got this answer. Okay.
Sir, I got
And,
minus 3x plus 1y plus 4z.
Okay, so apart from Nishad, okay, बाकी सबका आंसर क्या आ रहा है?
Sir, I got 1y plus 4z.
And y plus 4z. Okay, yeah, yes, everyone got the answer. Nishad only got this 8z. Now let me check it. कहाँ पे गलती हो गई? Guys, पहले तो question. Everyone, please look into my screen, guys. No one will say anything. Please keep quiet as of now. Just look into my screen, and if you have any issues, just please raise your hand, guys. Put your hands down, everyone, and please understand first of all. 2y plus 3z minus 1x ब्रैकेट में बाहर लिखेंगे 1y minus 1z plus 2x. Everyone got my point? अच्छा, यहाँ पे तो पॉजिटिव है तो यहाँ पे तो कोई इशू आएगा नहीं, तो 2y and 3z minus 1x हो जाएगा. लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे क्या इशू आ जाएगा? ये आ जाएगा -1y minus minus plus 1z minus plus minus 2x, isn't it? तो जब मैं ब्रैकेट ओपन करूंगा तो मुझे ये टर्म्स मिलने चाहिए. एक एक टर्म ज़रूरी है, एक एक टर्म का सॉल्यूशन ज़रूरी है. ठीक है गाइस, एवरीवन प्लीज लुक केयरफुली. ठीक है ना? सो जब आप ऐसा देखोगे तो माइनस ये वाली स्टेप्स कितने लोगों की सही है गाइस, प्लीज टेल मी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दिस स्टेप्स इज करेक्ट। सभी लोगों का सही है ये स्टेप।
Yes, sir.
नाउ बस फाइन, 2 minus 1 is what?
So 1 is plus
1
1.
by
Because 2 is
3z, 3z 1z. What is 3z
4,
plus 1z?
4z.
Plus 4z. 1 minus 1 minus 2
Sir, it's minus 3.
minus 3. This is the final answer. This is the final answer. So everyone, but Nishad, you got 8. How you got 8? Nishad,
Sir, I added for like the wait a sir. Like sir, I added the 2 4 Z's in the wrong answer which I was telling you.
please concentrate guys. अभी इजी क्वेश्चन है गाइस, ट्रस्ट मी, फिर क्वेश्चंस कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा इशू आएगा। अभी छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस हैं, प्रैक्टिस करो। 9th का आंसर आ गया सभी को?
Yeah. Sir, the answer for the 9th one is minus 2y plus 2z.
Sir, 9th one of mine is 2z, sir.
Sir, my answer is 2y plus 2z.
Sir, not minus 2z, sir. I got only plus 2z, sir. Only positive 2z, not
Okay, yes. Abhiyan?
Sir?
Yes, Abhiyan.
Sir, I didn't do the 9th one yesterday, sir.
You didn't do the 9th one, Abhiyan?
Yeah, I'm almost done. I'm doing it, sir. When you are step.
Nishad, Sugam, Lavi. Okay, fine, yeah.
Almost done, sir. Just give me a minute.
आई होप गाइस क्लास में क्या चल रहा है अभी अलजेब्रा में, सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir, I am.
दिस इज प्योर अलजेब्रा। ओके, जो हम बार बार अलजेब्रा बोल रहे हैं, दिस इज प्योर अलजेब्रा। दैट्स अ पॉजिटिव in terms of negative. So basically we are solving these questions. Okay, please go for it guys. इससे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए गाइस। सी पॉजिटिव x माइनस वाई प्लस z, फिर नेगेटिव में हो जाएगा x प्लस वाई माइनस c। ठीक है, जब मैं ब्रैकेट ओपन करूँगा, एवरीवन प्लीज लुक इनटू द स्क्रीन गाइस। सो इट इज x माइनस वाई प्लस z, और माइनस जब अंदर जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस x माइनस प्लस इज minus y and minus minus is plus z. So it will become like this. Okay, got it everyone? These are the
Yes,
sections
sir.
that you get. अब आप ध्यान से देखो, plus x minus x cancel, plus x minus s cancel, minus 1, what is minus 1 minus 1? Minus 2y, minus 2y. What is 1 plus 1 plus 2z? This is the final answer. This is the final answer. No one will get the correct answer.
Sir, my answer was plus 2z. I told you na.
Sir, I got 0 minus 2z plus 2z. Sorry, 2y.
Sir, I got the answer as same as you, sir. I didn't got.
This is positive. Okay, Nishad. Okay.
Sir, I got 0 minus 2y plus 2z, sir.
Okay, very good. ठीक है, very good guys. So I think अभी questions हो रहे हैं धीरे धीरे. Now I think this much is okay. Come to the 20th one and 16th one. Go quickly do it.
Yes, sir.
Come on, practice it guys. Come on, hurry up. Nishad, Lavi, Sukam, Avyan, everyone. Okay, Shanaya, you are on this question.
Yes, sir.
Shanaya, you are on which question?
Sir, I'm on the word problems, no?
Yeah.
Sir, we should 16th and 20th questions, sir.
Sir, I'm on question number 20. I'm on question number 20.
And on that question, Wait a minute, Shubham.
There are
Shania is on different worksheet. Yeah, yes, Shania. So that question belongs to which category?
so word problems.
No, no. Word problem में कौन सी category है वो? It is like speed, time, distance, ages, numerator, denominator,
It's
denomination.
one
कौन सी
part of the
category?
total number. It's about food.
अच्छा,
I mean, it's like fractions and I don't know. It's fractions. It's like when
Sir,
a student's hostel, one part of the number of girls and four more take vegetarian food only. And yeah, like that.
sir,
yes, Sugam.
excuse, sir, we should do the 16 and 21.
16, 20, 21 तो है ही नहीं.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm done with my answer.
Okay, for both the questions.
No, I'm done with the 16.
Yeah, sir.
Do do the other one also.
Sir, I got 1x plus 2z and 0.
Same, sir.
हम्म. एंड गाइस रिपीटेटिव क्वेश्चंस करना है, ठीक है? जो क्वेश्चंस क्लास में नहीं करे हैं वो एज अ होमवर्क है, ठीक है? निशाद, अव्यान,
Yes, sir.
सो बॉड मास जो है that also you have to do because that is also going on, I think. And once you finish that board mass worksheet to let me know, उसके बाद में ये वाला जो worksheet है algebra for like and like terms वो भी है ना? तो complete board mass first quickly and then ये वाला start हो जाएगा.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, please tell me, Ravi. Ravi, yeah, please tell me. Hello, yeah, please, Ravi, tell me.
Sir, my answer of 16th one is y 1y plus 1x plus 2x plus 2z.
Okay.
Sir, sir, for the 16th, I got 1x plus 2z, and for 20, I got 5x plus 3y. No, okay, no, okay, sir. Sir, for the 20, I got 5x plus 3y minus 4z.
Sir, for the 20th, I got plus 5x plus 5y minus 6z.
అందరికంటే లాస్ట్ చెప్తాను.
Sir, I'm done with the 20th one, sir.
Okay, done with the 20th one.
Sir, I got 5x plus 3y minus 4z.
Okay, so in the 16th one now, see it what it is given. So in the 16th one, what it is given, like what is 2x plus 3z minus y, okay? And here it is given x plus 1z plus 1y, isn't it? So what it is given now, now again This is basically you have to change the sign. So it is 2x plus 3z minus 1y minus 1x minus 1z minus 1y, isn't it? Minus, it is throughout minus, isn't it? Sign get changed in the second bracket because outside it is minus.
Yeah.
कितने लोगों को ये बात समझ में आ गई है कि इफ इट इज माइनस सो अंदर के टर्म्स के सभी साइन अपोजिट हो जाएंगे, चेंज हो जाएंगे. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir. Understood.
ओके. Okay, now just make the combination 2 minus 1. अब लेटर को मत देखो, don't see the letters. वो x का x के साथ automatically connect हो जाएगा. What is 2 minus 1?
2 minus 1 is 1, sir.
1 x और साथ में x लिख दो. 3 minus 1 is what?
3 minus 1
3
is
minus 1 तो वो हो जाएगा 2z. और minus 1 is क्या होता है?
0.
minus 1 minus 1.
0.
minus 1 is minus 2. minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. अभियान जो बॉड मास है ना वो प्रैक्टिस करना है, ठीक है ना. ये जो मिस्टेक्स हो रही है ना ये बॉड मास के कारण हो रही है. वो जो मैंने बॉड मास का शीट दिया है आपको ऑलरेडी, अभी आप वो करोगे ना तो आपके जो मिस्टेक्स हैं वो रेक्टिफाई हो जाएंगे.
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm saying this thing. वो जो बॉड मास वाली शीट्स हैं you have to do it. You remember I told you what are the mistakes which you are doing, जो आप स्टेप्स नहीं लिख रहे थे. सारी चीज़ें आपको लिखनी है and then you have to submit it to me in the form of homework. Okay?
Yes,
For
sir.
all of you. Nishad, if you are also not writing down the steps, then that will be the issue. So that's why steps सबको
Yeah.
लिखना है guys. मैं भी steps लिख रहा हूँ. ये जो मैंने लिखा है ये सभी steps ही हैं, है ना. तो steps लिखोगे तो आंसर आएगा. ऐसे अपने माइंड में कैलकुलेट नहीं करना है. Okay? Okay, fine guys. Come to the 20th one now. What is the answer for the 20th one now?
Sir, I got 5x plus 3y minus 4z.
Okay.
Sir, my answer is 5x plus 3y minus 4z.
ठीक है. Okay. So this is Lavi. This is Avyan. Yes, Nishad.
My answer for the 20th one is plus 5x plus 5y and minus 6z.
Sugam.
Nepal.
Sugam, waiting for your answer. Unmute yourself and then tell me the answer.
Sir, my answer is plus 5x plus 5y minus 6z.
Yes, I got it.
But sir,
This is the common है इसलिए मैंने लिखा उसको. Okay.
ఎంగించుకుంటున్నావు
Sugam,
Varas.
are you
Sir.
my voice?
Why, sir?
Yes. Yeah, please tell me.
So what should I tell, sir?
Answer for the 20th one.
21 I got 5x plus 3y minus 4z.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah. So now see. First bracket will remain as it is, which is 6x plus 5y minus 1z. And this is what? Minus x plus 2y plus 3z, isn't it? If I'll change the sign, so what it will become? Minus 1x minus 2y minus 3z, isn't it? 6x 5y minus 1z, isn't it? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is one of the points that you are getting. What is 6 minus 1?
5.
What is 5 minus 2?
Sir, 3.
3y.
Positive 3. What is minus 1 minus 3?
Minus 4.
This is the answer. This answer is same as this answer. So Nishad, ये मिस्टेक क्यों हुई? Now tell me, where is the mistake, Nishad?
Sir, in the middle ones, in the second one.
Yeah, in the second one, you have the mistake, but uh, what is the issue? ये गलत क्यों हो रहे हैं आंसर्स? गलत नहीं होने चाहिए ना?
Yeah.
All right, okay. Now coming to the next thing now. So what do we have? We'll check it out now. Um, I'll give you the homework. Boardmaster, I think I have already allotted the homework to all of you. And for this worksheet, which is like and unlike them and KT of brackets, Nishad,
Yeah.
Avyan, Lavi, okay, Sugam, what you have to do? Uh, the questions, which is on page number 3 to 8. Please try to do it, guys. Page number 3 to page number 8. Try to do it. As of now, apart from it, what you can do now, just wait a minute. For KT of bracket also, let's do one thing. For today, which is of 16th June, you just take from page number 1, 2, 3, 4. Up till here, just do all the questions. From tomorrow onwards, we'll see the fifth one as well, because fifth में थोड़ा सा और solution है अभी, ठीक है? And Shanaya, you did the questions. So after the class, you just be supposed to send it to me. The questions, okay, for your this part, which is word problems. Okay. Okay, fine, guys. And as of now, what is going on in school, Shanaya?
Right now, nothing, sir. We have annual day right now, so nothing is going on.
All right, okay. Fine then, guys. So आज के लिए जो homework है, apart from Shanaya, everyone, all four of you got the homework for today. Lavi, Abyan, Nishad, everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, should we leave?
Mm,
Sir?
So my voice is glitching, sir.
and
So your voice is breaking.
Yeah.
Like a lot. It's like ba, sir.
we submit. Right. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Okay.